If your Word document never quite lines up the way you want, the ruler is probably the tool you're missing. In this video, we'll learn how to use the ruler and how to set up margins, indents, and tabs with the help of the ruler. First, let's turn the ruler on. Click View. Make sure Print Layout is selected. Then check Ruler. You should now see the horizontal ruler across the top. If you also want the vertical ruler on the left side, we need one extra setting. Go to the Advanced tab in the Options menu and find the Display section. Click Show Vertical Ruler in Print Layout View. Now the vertical ruler appears too. This can be used to drag and drop top and bottom margins, adjust table row heights, and manage vertical alignment in headers or footers. But most people mainly use the horizontal ruler for paragraph formatting. Before we drag anything, let's decode these markers. The top triangle controls the first line indent. The bottom triangle controls the hanging indent. The small rectangle under them controls the left indent for the whole paragraph. And over on the right side, that marker controls the right indent. This is the part that confuses most beginners. If you move the top triangle, only the first line moves. If you move the bottom triangle, the rest of the paragraph moves. If you move the rectangle, the entire paragraph shifts. That's the big idea. Place your cursor inside a paragraph, then click Select on the Home tab and choose Select All Text with Similar Formatting. This selects everything in your document that is probably a paragraph. If you adjust the ruler controls now, you can make changes to the whole document. Now let's use the ruler to change margins. Move your pointer to the edge where the white and gray areas meet. When the cursor changes to a double arrow, click and drag. That changes the left margin. Do the same on the right side to change the right margin. This is a fast way to adjust layout visually, especially when you want more or less text on each line. For more precise control, hold Alt while dragging. That shows exact measurements as we move. Do not confuse paragraph indentation with page margins. They may look similar visually, but you will run into issues later if you use them interchangeably. To learn more, watch our videos about page margins and indentation. Now let's talk about tabs. Tabs are perfect when you want text to line up neatly across a page without building a table. At the far left of the ruler, click the tab selector to choose the tab type. The most common and default one is the left tab. Click the ruler where you want the tab stop to appear. A tab stop belongs to the paragraph you're in. Now place the cursor in the line and press Tab on the keyboard. The cursor with the text jumps to the selected place. Enable the Show Paragraph Marks function, and you will see arrows indicating the tab. You can add multiple tab stops across the same line. To remove a tab stop, drag it down off the ruler. That's it. Let's see the different tab types at a glance. First is the left tab. This is the most common one. Text starts at the tab stop and continues to the right. The center tab centers the text on the tab stop, so instead of starting at that point, the text balances around it. Next is the right tab. This makes the text end at the tab stop. Then we have the decimal tab. This aligns numbers by the decimal point. And finally, there's the bar tab. This one is different. It doesn't align text at all. Instead, it inserts a vertical line at that position. That makes it more of a visual divider than a text alignment tool. So now we can turn the ruler on, show the vertical ruler, adjust margins, create first line indents, make hanging indents, and set tab stops without guessing. Once you understand what each marker controls, the ruler becomes one of the fastest formatting tools in Microsoft Word. Still fixing formatting instead of writing? Styles, references, tables, manual fixes slow everything down. Until now, meet OnStyle. OnStyle automatically identifies and corrects issues in Word documents. And when creating new documents, it helps by applying standard styles and formatting rules. Imagine fixing all your issues related to cross-referencing, linking, instructional or hidden text, heading numbering, table formatting, and so much more with just a few clicks. Try OnStyle for free now